up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Jess and I post food, travel, and lifestyle related content. Recently I have been trying to learn some new languages, and by languages I just mean Latvian or Latvian. Can someone please tell me if it's Latvian, or does it even matter, because I say Latvian, and if I'm saying it wrong, let me know right now. So today I thought, why not learn Estonian, the very unique language of Estonian. I have been to Estonia before. I've been to Tallinn, and I went on a walking tour, and I got a little taste of the language and how not only unique it is, but difficult. There are so many vowel sounds, so many ooh sounds, it's crazy. So I'm going to try and speak it. First off, I thought I would listen to this YouTube video that I have here, teach me a little bit of the alphabet. So let's go ahead and listen to this. Okay, so not feeling very confident just from the sound of that. So I went online to find some common Estonian phrases that would help get me by if I ever wanted to speak Estonian while I am traveling there. So first things first, why don't I just start with welcome? And that is tere tulemast. Is that it? Welcome, tere tulemast. Okay? Hello, tere, or tervist, how are you? Kuidas la, okay, there's two dots above the A, so I'm assuming that we are going to have to stretch it out a bit. So, how are you? Kuidas live. Kuidas live. Yeah, maybe. And then you would reply back. How are you is Tanan hasti yatil. Tanan hasti yatil. All right. My name is, here we go. Minu nimi Jessica. Minu nimi Jessica. That sounded pretty good. What, you know, you think? Maybe? No? Let me start using Google Translate with this, because that was one thing I didn't do in my Latvian videos. Didn't use Google Translate when, because I thought it was cheating, you know? But let me go ahead and use Google Translate for these Estonian words, just to see if I'm even close to speaking it right. Currently, I am downloading Estonian to my Google Translate app. Download complete, so let's go ahead and get this rolling. Here we go. So, I thought that you pronounced how are you as kuidas live. Don't know why I'm using my hand. Thinking that this may help me pronounce it right, I suppose. Okay, so how are you? Now this is coming up differently. This is kuidas live. Kuidas okay. And my name is Minu nimi Jessica. So let's see.
Minu nimi on Jessica.
Okay. Ooh, even my name is different.
My name is Jessica.
Wow, that sounded very monotone.
Minu nimi on Jessica.
Minu nimi on Jessica. Minu nimi on Jessica. So it's not it's okay. So the regular O is All right. We are learning, we are moving, we are grooving. All right, good afternoon. Tere päevast. Let's see.
Tere päevast. Tere päevast.
Tere päevast.
Tere päevast.
Tere päevast.
Tere päevast.
Tere päevast. Päevast.
Tere päevast.
Tere päevast. Terapäivästä. I don't know. So yes is ja, and no is ear. Let's see. Is that how, let's see if I'm getting this down. Yes.
Ja.
So it's not ya, it's yah.
Ja.
Yah. Yah. It's like a breath at the end of yah. 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 Love it. All right. And then no.
Ei.
A. A. Okay, easy enough. All right, so now this is going to be, do you speak Estonian? Kasa, wow, this is tricky. Okay, kas sa räägid eesti keelt? That's informal. And then formal is kas te räägid eesti keelt? Wait, it's the same thing, right? Kas te räägid eesti keelt? It doesn't sound difficult when I'm saying it, but it seems like everything's just wrong that I'm saying. Okay, do you speak Estonian?
Sa räägid eesti keelt.
Excuse me? Sa räägid eesti keelt. Okay, I need to start speaking it very fast. Here we go. Sa räägid eesti keelt. Sa räägid eesti keelt. Sa räägid eesti keelt.
Sa räägid eesti keelt.
Sa räägid eesti keelt.
Sa räägid eesti keelt.
Keelt? Oh.
Sa räägid eesti keelt.
Sa räägid eesti keelt.
Sa räägid eesti keelt.
I cannot say, I guess that word is Estonian. I can't say it in Estonian. I can't say Estonian in Estonian. Keelt?
Sa räägid eesti keelt.
Keelt. Sa räägid eesti keelt. Sa räägid eesti keelt. Forgive me, Estonians. I'm so sorry. Butchering your language over here. And lastly, for whatever reason, this website has one of the phrases on here as my hovercraft is full of eels. Translated into Estonian. Don't ask me why. I don't know if this is a saying in Estonia or whatever it may be, but I'm gonna go ahead and try and say it. So, there are a lot of vowels in this phrase that I am not familiar with. So here we go. My hovercraft is full of eels in Estonian. Muhojuk on angerjaid täis. Muhojuk on angerjaid täis. There's no way in hell that is right. All right, and let's go ahead and put it in Google Translate. My hovercraft is full of eels. Never had that happen to me before, but you know, to each your own. This is like totally swapped. It's minu hojuk on täis angerjaid. So it's completely different than what it is spelled on, or how the words are arranged on the website I just read it off of. So here we go. Minu hojuk on täis angerjaid.
Minu hõljuk on täis angerjaid.
Angerjaid, okay. Minu hojuk on täis angerjaid.
Minu hõljuk on täis angerjaid.
That was probably bad on my part, but I found like that it sounded okay. Oh man. I don't know how somebody can learn this language and master it, because this is a very, very tough language. Very unique, very tough, a lot of vowels, but that is just another cool thing about Estonia. All right guys, I am going to wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope your ears aren't bleeding by me trying to speak Estonian for the very first time. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought about it. I comment back to absolutely everyone. I love talking to you guys. And please consider subscribing, because I post videos just like this every single week. Travel videos, food videos, culture videos, and give me some suggestions if you would like to see more. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. And why not sign off with saying goodbye in Estonian?
Hüvasti.
Hyvästi. Hyvästi.
Hyvästi.